welcome back to Let's Cook That. Today we have an easy and delicious recipe. If you are in a rush for lunch, if you're at home, or for dinner, you can get it done like in less than 30 minutes, okay? So it's very easy, and if you guys love shrimp, you guys will love this recipe because we are doing Cajun shrimp foil pockets. Very simple, of course. My way, I like to share my way. You guys can always change, modify, whatever you guys like, the veggies or seasoning, salt, anything that you guys like. Make it your own way. And if you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the little bell so you can get notified every time we upload a new video. So now let's get started with those ingredients. The following ingredients is chili powder, paprika, Cajun seasoning, oil, garlic, hot links, your favorite ones. Of course, we have the shrimp, and then we have zucchinis, bell peppers. You can use any color that you prefer. Those are the colors I had, so that's what we're using today. And of course, some red onion. Okay, so I'm gonna start cutting the zucchini. And I recommend you, if you want to get it done in 30 minutes, I recommend you to preheat your oven right now at 400 because you're going to go ahead and bake them for 15 minutes. But while you cut everything, your oven could be preheating. So let's go ahead and cut our zucchini. Now we're going to cut our bell peppers. And remember, all the ingredients are always listed in the description box. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut our hot links. Now I'm going to go ahead and peel the shrimp as we go. These are already deveined, but if they're not deveined, go ahead and slice them open to devein them and remove this little, I don't know how you call it in English, but you know, the things that you're not supposed to eat and you're supposed to take out. But we call it la tripita del camarón in Spanish. But you guys know what I mean. I know there's someone that's going to correct me, and if you do, thank you so much. But let's continue to peel our shrimp. Okay, so now that you have everything in a bowl, let's go ahead and add our seasonings. I'm not adding salt because Cajun seasoning is a little salty. You can always use the same seasoning that I use for my San Pedro one. It would be really, really good. Alrighty, and the oil. Let's mix really good. Okay, so once you mix everything, I cut some foil up, which is 12 by 12, and then we're gonna go ahead and fill them in. I put around like 6 shrimps per pocket. And then put them right up and close it. And continue with the rest. All right, so I have 4 pockets with shrimp. One of them had a little bit more than 6 shrimps, but usually I try to keep it to 6 shrimps. I had extra veggies with the sausage, so I'm not gonna throw it away. So we did an extra pocket over here on the side. So we do have our oven to 400. So we will put this in the oven for 15 minutes. Okay, these are ready. Make sure you're very careful when you take them out of the oven if you want to let them cool down for like a minute, because it will be very hot. So let's go ahead and open it. Oh my God, look how delicious that looks. We got our shrimp, bell peppers, your sausage, your onion. Yum. So there you have it, you guys. Very easy and very delicious. Let's go ahead and give this a try. Oh, that's very hot though, you guys. We just squeeze some limes and some hot sauce, and this is very, very good, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave your comments down below, share with your family and friends, subscribe if you haven't done so you won't miss any of these delicious recipes. Hit that little bell so you can get notified every time we upload a new video. You guys stay safe out there, take care, and we'll see you next time on Let's Cook That.